Are you a fan of captivating movies that keep you on the edge of your seat? If so, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the talented cast of the highly anticipated Netflix film, It's What's Inside. This horror comedy has been generating buzz since its debut at the Sundance Film Festival, and it's easy to see why with its impressive 84% rating on Rotten Tomatoes. And the film follows a group of friends who participate in a game that takes a shocking turn, leading to a thrilling and entertaining storyline